Hey everyone, it's me, Sean here, doing another vlog. I am at a beach right now, at the Cape. It's Sunday right now, I don't know what it's called right now. It's pretty dusty. It's high tide right now. So you see like, these fences on that? All the sand was never here before. Because all these fences actually go down to the actual ground. It's that wood down there if you can't see it. Well, that's where it used to be. Pretty cool. So it says do not go on the dunes. On the dunes now. Well, there's barely no sand here. See? Don't go on the dunes. On the dunes. Yeah. Rule breaker. So, yeah, so it's Monday. I was biking and I actually saw some kids on the bus. And it was funny. I'm like, ha ha, you're on your bus. They're getting out of school. And I'm trying to have a bike ride. Hey, the good thing is that I'm doing my work or something this week. So my dad let me take my Xbox. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks to 700 subscribers. And peace out.